Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easily you can create yourself an event at your Facebook page. So first of all, I'm at my profile that I created, and we need to switch to Facebook page. So top right corner, and as you can see, Matthew tutorials page, that's the page that we want to create our event on. So we are logged in our event page, and there are some suggested options on the left side. There's events, so I want to click there. And what here? I want to go with create new event. Once you click on create new event, you are basically settled for creating one, so you don't have to look any further. And let's go with event name or event name. Let's go with, for example, tutorial test, just like that. Then we have start date. For example, it's gonna be around 21st Saturday, starting time 5 p.m. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. And now we can add an end date. So if you are booking, for example, a hall, or you want to let your visitors know approximately how long will the event last, we're gonna add the end date, and we can go with like 9 p.m. Is it in person or virtual? It's in person. Location, for example, Vukolinec. Okay, I'm from Slovakia, and this is very nice UNESCO place, so we can go there. And what else do we need? We have a name, we have a date, and the date as well. Person, public, what are the details? Please come. So right now, as you can see, we can create event without even thinking about it. So if you don't have anything in details, you can't really create an event. So you need to give Facebook a couple of words of what your visitors can expect once they come, and then create event. Once we created the event, you can just send it. Okay, this is our test event. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.